What is up, Watch fam? I am Christian from Theo and Harris. Today, we're talking about my favorite oxymoron, the affordable Rolex. And now, the watch question of the day. Is the Oyster Perpetual, the entry-level Rolex, even worth it? The fact that we're even able to have this informed conversation is all thanks to London Jewelers. We stopped into their boutique in downtown New York City, right at the heart of the Oculus, and I saw a bunch of great stuff. I mean, look at that date window execution, and I'm super impressed by Oris's divers, especially on those vintage rubber tropic straps. And of course, a formal staple, JLC's Master Control Collection. You geeks definitely know that I went straight for the rose gold. But today, we're talking about Rolex, specifically one of my favorites, the Oyster Perpetual. While the brand has evolved into a global symbol of wealth, larger, shinier, and more precious by the bezel, the OP has remained true. It's manufactured in 5 sizes, 39, 36, 34, 21, and 26, and a variety of colors, white, black, blue, and gray being the most common. Here are 2 great examples of the 36mm variant, one in red grape and another in white. The dials are terrific. The white is frosted, so you can get as close as you like. It just gets better. And the red grape is almost like vintage blue date, just extremely fun and still professional. Despite its boring and unoriginal name, it's very exciting. Their cases and bracelets, always steel oysters with smooth polished bezels, are exactly what you'd expect. No frills, no widened lugs, no ceramic. Simple, the foundation on which the entire brand is built. And the movement, the 3130, which is the base that powers most of the references in this collection, is absolutely nothing to scoff at. Of course, it's COSC certified, making it a chronometer, but it has the Parachrome hairspring, for example, which allows the watch to resist the effects of shock and temperature. Of course, this has become standard for Rolex, and in turn, we are, by and large, unimpressed by it. But still, it's workhorse movements like this that have powered Explorers, Submariners, and Cellinis. So no corners were cut here either. My final thoughts. Yes, the entry-level Rolex is worth it. Very worth it. With 3 size options for men, proportions will never be an issue. With a range of colors from red grape and blue to black and white, prospective buyers will never be restricted. And without totally simplifying the conversation, the Oyster Perpetual recipe, as simple as it is, might be one of Rolex's truest, purest, right now. So, if you're interested in learning more about one, if you think you would like to see the Oyster Perpetual for yourself, email watchinfo@londonjewelers.com. The London team will give you the best experience you could possibly hope for. I haven't a doubt. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. The Tangente Sport Neomatic. Their new 42mm diver with date.